In most applications, particularly Microsoft applications, you can generally save as a PDF file. And if you've installed Adobe Acrobat, then you'll actually find in all the Microsoft applications that there'll be an extra tab that's dedicated to Acrobat. Let me show you, for example. Let me open up, say, Word. When I open up Microsoft Word, you can tell at the top here that there's an extra tab called Acrobat. And so this is because I've installed Adobe Acrobat on my machine. By going to this particular tab in the ribbon, I'm able to create a PDF file and set up preferences around that. I'm also able to create a PDF file and share it. And I can also create a PDF file and send it for somebody to review it. So there's an extra tab at the top in your ribbon. But also if you go to File, you get this option here to save as an Adobe PDF file. And beyond that, if you go to Print, you also get the option to print it to an Adobe printer, which effectively creates a PDF file. So because you've got Adobe Acrobat, there's a lot of infiltration into the Microsoft programs that give you Adobe options, which make it really easy to create PDF files and incorporate Adobe into Acrobat into those programs. But let's say we wanted to create a PDF file from within Acrobat. Well, if that's the case, we would go to Tools. And if we were going to Tools, we would use the tool called Create PDF, which I just happen to have added to my Tools pane. So if I click Create PDF, basically what I can do now is choose a single file, multiple files, and bring them together to create a PDF. I can use my scanner to create a PDF, or I can even create a PDF from a web page. All I've got to do is put the web address in this box here. I can also create a web page from the clipboard, or I can just create a blank page PDF. But let's just start with a single file because of all of these options, this is probably the most common. Now what I want to do is I want to select a file, and I can choose from a variety of file formats, from Word docs to Excel files to text files, and even more formats if I want to check those out. But I'm just going to select a file, and I'm going to open a file that I've got saved, and it's called Overview, and it's actually a PowerPoint file. So I'm just navigating my way to where that file is. And here it is here, and it's called Overview, and it's a PowerPoint file, a PPTX file. If I then click Open, it'll open that PowerPoint file as a PDF file as soon as I hit Create in Adobe Acrobat. Now it also wants to save it, so I'm actually going to save it as Overview Brochure, and it's going to make a PDF file. So I'll just go Save. And here is my file. It's just working through it, and eventually I see my file as Overview Brochure. So I've created a PDF file within Adobe Acrobat just by using the tool called Create PDF.